2821. Yes, that is what it is. And this is the NASDAQ 100 update. And these emails will go out to the right people. For the people that are watching, we made the highs over here. And we did. And that was 14,048. And that was on the 27th. So today is referred to as a reversal day. Now, is that bull still alive? Well, the earnings have come in good and whatnot, but this is not year 2020. And it's not. And it's not like it was in the January quarter, because it's not. And stocks would really pop and not sell off right away. We've had the Google, the Facebook tonight, and then we've had Apple that, you know, is not getting the pop it really deserves, but it's up. So the thing about it is that a lot of the earnings will sell off. Shop did extremely well. You know, all the videos are there. You can watch them. But nonetheless, the NASDAQ 100 could run into issues in the month of May. And I might as well let you understand that. And after doing this for a very long time, is that what these markets are really doing is the more mature that the markets get, you're not going to see those really super big pops like you had seen before. Yes, you will get good gains and whatnot, but it could change as we get into the next earnings season, which I feel that it will. But some of them have delivered some great numbers and sold off, and some have delivered numbers and they did reward them. But the thing about it is this: learn how to do the option trading the right way and get those entries. And then when they gap, it's called sell gap. So when stocks are gapping, then they sell. And they're very good for fast gains if you know what strike prices to pick in the option market and whatnot. And we can develop that relationship together, because we will. And this is the NASDAQ 100 update. Let me just tell you something. There can be a nice pullback in May, and one of the problems that the NASDAQ ran in with this red bar today is it created a sell signal of minus 11.88, and that is the math, 11.188, okay, on the moving average convergence. Now, with that being said, that is not when you have buy signals like you see over here in blue. They're up above that line and whatnot. So what you need to really understand is that once Amazon finishes its tomorrow after the close, then the market is going to pay attention to issues like inflation, and, you know, they'll have all kinds of doubts and whatnot. And 2021 is going to be quite different. Summer rallies, when they get here, they have a much bigger pop generally. And then you get into different time cycles of the market and you get bigger returns and a lot. So right now, we will have a gap up in the morning for the bulls. And the problem, though, is with that gap, we need to take out this high right here. Okay, and that was at 14,048. Then we had the highs over here, and that was 14,040. So this high never really broke out that much above this particular high of 14,050. And on the 27th high, it's 14,048.34. It never did break above it. Bottom line. And pennies are pennies, yeah, and dollars are dollars. But when it comes into technical reversals, that's always how they start. Now, do they end up there? There's support down here at the 20-day and whatnot. But when we start generating sell signals and not buy signals, it's something for you to be aware. Okay? And that's what happened today. Now, the key for tomorrow is once we get out of this week and we start moving in May and we start looking at where the earnings topped out, but then once they're over with, is do reversals start to come into the marketplace? And if they do, well, then you need to be on the right side of the tape. Take the free 5-day trial right now today. Let's get that relationship rolling.